If VLC Media Player sound is not working on your PC, don't worry. This is usually a simple settings issue, and in this video I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. Whether the video is playing with no audio, the volume is too low, or VLC is using the wrong track or device, these steps can usually get your sound working again in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy PC fix guides. First, open VLC and start playing the video that has no sound. Then look at the volume control in the bottom right corner of the VLC window and make sure it is not muted and not turned all the way down. Sometimes the problem is as simple as a muted player or a volume slider set to 0, so check that first before changing anything else. Next, go to the audio menu at the top of VLC. Hover over audio track and make sure the correct audio track is selected. If the track is set to disable, or if the wrong track is selected, VLC may play the video without any sound. Choosing the proper track can instantly fix the issue, especially with videos that have multiple audio streams. After that, go back to the audio menu and open audio device. Here, try switching between default and your actual speakers or headphones. If VLC is sending audio to the wrong output device, you may not hear anything even though the video is playing correctly. Toggling this setting is a quick way to force VLC to send sound to the device you actually want to use. Now let's check the VLC audio preferences. Click Tools at the top, then select Preferences, or simply press Ctrl and P on your keyboard. Once the Preferences window opens, click the Audio tab. Make sure the Enable Audio box is checked, because if audio is disabled here, VLC will not output any sound at all. Under Output, look for the Output module dropdown and set it to Automatic. This is usually the safest choice because VLC will pick the best audio output method for your system automatically. If you made any changes, click Save and test the video again to see if the sound is back. If VLC still has no audio, the next step is to reset the program settings. Go back to Tools, then Preferences, and at the bottom left corner of the window, click Reset Preferences. Confirm the reset by clicking OK, then close VLC completely and restart it. Resetting preferences can fix corrupted or misconfigured settings that might be blocking audio playback. It also restores VLC to its default state, which is helpful if a setting was changed accidentally. Once VLC opens again, play the same video and check whether the sound is working now. In many cases, one of these three fixes will solve the problem right away: unmuting VLC and choosing the correct audio track, checking the audio preferences, or resetting the preferences completely. If your sound is still not working after that, the issue may be with the video file itself, your PC audio drivers, or your system sound settings. But these VLC steps are the best place to start. I hope this video helped you fix VLC Media Player sound not working on PC. If it did, please give the video a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.